yeah. How's your experience so far, bub?
Good.
Are you excited for your first airplane ride?
Yes!
Super excited. What are you most excited about?
Seeing the clouds.
Yes, well, baby Z, Zaire, Zizi, it's time to get ready for Mexico. Are you ready, my friend? Are you ready for an adventure?
No, I'm tired.
I know, but get up.
I'm going to Mexico. And I get to see my cousin.
Go, Bubba.
What are you doing? This is what I did last time I danced. Look up in the sky, guys. Look up.
Okay, well, come on, Pa. Gotta go this way. We have arrived to the airport.
We have a ride to the airport.
We got here super early. We got here super early because I didn't want to have to rush, having ZZ with me and just never coming to this airport before and it being like the holiday times and stuff, so. But we're here.
You better come here today or else you're gonna get webbed to a plane.
Webbed. All right, now we are through security. From the time we parked to the time we just got out of security, it only took us 45 minutes. So parking, walking, bathroom break, checking in like quick and easy, no lines. Right after Christmas and right before New Year's, I say that's pretty good. To Starbucks instead.
Guys, we'll pause this because I have to eat and my mom is just taking me for a walk. So we'll stop.
So, my niece already called me. What I didn't mention is that we're linking up with my mom, my sister, my niece and my nephew, and we're all gonna link up and
Who's your
head to
niece?
Cancun together. Amani.
Oh.
So yeah, they already called. They're like, "Where you at?" I'm like, I just got to the airport. So, yeah. How's your experience so far, bub?
Good.
Are you excited for your first airplane ride?
Yes!
Super excited. What are you most excited about?
Seeing the clouds.
Yes. Well, let's look at the camera. Let's come over here. Let's see if there's some clouds. Okay, looks like it's a little cloudy. So you're gonna see some clouds maybe, but I don't know. You can't climb up there.
Oh man.
Spider-Man's gonna save the day. Yeah, he really wanted to wear those pajamas, so I just let him.
See?
Wave to the camera. Wave to the camera. He's Spider-Man. Ah! Ooh. Is that Chloe Bailey? Or no? before you start eating. Hello. See? How was your first flight so far? That's it? That's all you want to say?
Awesome.
Huh?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Please hold on. This train is departing.
You ready?
Here's Granny.
The next stop.
Do you feel like Miles Morales right now? Spider-Man.
But I feel like I'm not wearing the right suit though. I'm supposed to be wearing the Venom black suit.
This one's good enough.
What we probably need to take, probably oversized for that mid space, so come on and let's take care of that for you now. If you have smaller items to bag.
Hello, Money. How's it going? Hello, ready? How's it going?
Put that under your seat and leave the overhead space for the
Say hello.
larger carry-on bag. That'll be greatly appreciated.
So as you see, we had my sister, my mom, my niece, and my nephew are all here with us. We're all going to Mexico. So the itinerary is kind of like this. Once we get to Cancun, we're gonna get a rental car and we're gonna stay in an Airbnb for just one day because I didn't feel like driving all the way to Merida on the first night. So we'll get a rental car, stay the night, and then in the morning we'll get up and probably go to Valladolid and then to Merida. So yep, I guess we're just waiting for everybody to get on and we'll see if the family ends up being together or not. So I booked our tickets ahead of time, so I know we are together. And I think my mom actually is gonna sit right there. So yeah.
Your mom? Like, look.
Look who I found. Look who I found. We made it to Cancun. We're just waiting in line. Look at this piece of hair. Oh my goodness. We're just waiting in line at immigration right now. But pretty simple. I expect we'll probably be in this line for about maybe 20 minutes. Stop.
It's so funny.
So Amani, how was your first flight?
It was good.
It was good?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Of the second flight, getting off.
Getting off for sure, for sure. Were you scared?
No, not really.
Okay, let me ask these guys. Zizi, how was your first flight?
Good.
What was your favorite part?
Up in the sky.
Being up in the sky?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome answer. Kai, how was your first flight? What was your favorite part?
That we had computers that we could play on.
Okay, were you scared?
No.
Not at all?
A little bit.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Lift me up. Lift me up.
So we got through immigration pretty fast. It only took about, I would say like 10 minutes tops to get through with all of us. Now we're just waiting on our baggage. Our baggage is coming right now. And after that, we're gonna head over and pick up our rental car or rental van.
Stop, wait right here. Let me get you in the moment. Yeah, yeah.